This time on Granite Kitchen.
Hello everyone, I'm Gordon Ritchie and welcome to Granite Kitchen. As you know, we don't have a culinary arts program here at the Granite Falls High School, and so today, our three chefs will be competing head-to-head to prove to the administrators that we have what it takes to bring about a culinary revolution. Let's meet our chefs.
This is Chef Sam. This is Chef Sammy. This is Chef Bryson.
Hello chefs, today you will be using two secret ingredients to make a gourmet meal. The first ingredient is microwavable ramen. The second ingredient, water. What are you doing?
I can't open it.
What do you mean you can't open it?
I mean, I can't open it. I'm not strong enough.
Just rip it open, you wiener schnitzel!
I can't rip it open.
Come on! Pull it from the side. What are you doing? You're using your teeth? That's disgusting. Pull it from the sides. What are you... Oh my God. So... How you doing, Sam?
I'm doing what's best for these noodles here. You see, everything's in the mind, the soul of the kitchen.
Except that we're on the clock, Sam. Put it in the pot. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
But I'm doing what's best for the noodles!
You're gonna desecrate the noodles if you don't cook it pretty soon. Oi, what is this?
Yeah, I only bake, so I'm gonna make ramen crumble cake.
No you're not. What you're gonna make is a monstrosity if you keep this up.
The only monstrosity I see here is your outfit. Now, can you please? Alright. Good morning, Granite Falls High School. I'm Samantha Jean Smith.
And I'm Orion Green, here with your Friday morning video announcements.
Today we do not have a 1 hour early release.
Let's check in with our Granite Now team.
The city never sleeps at night. It's time to begin, isn't it? I get a little bit bigger.
The elementary school is looking for students to tutor 5th grade math students twice a week from 2:15 to 3. Please see Dr. Delaney if you are interested in volunteering.
Next Thursday at 6:30 p.m., the regional FBLA award ceremony will be held in the PAC. Come support our amazing FBLA students.
Want to do sports this spring? Spring sports start on February 25th. Please sign up in the ASB office and complete the forms in Skyward so you're eligible to participate on the first day of practice.
Thanks, guys.
Hey Samantha, are you trying out for the talent show? I heard you singing in the hallway. It was really good.
No, that was Frank. But let's go learn more about auditions.
Ave Maria. Ave Maria. Ave Maria. Ave Maria, Ave Maria, Ave Maria, Ave Maria, Ave Maria, Ave Maria. Ave Maria, Ave Maria, Ave.
Thanks guys. Talent show auditions are on March 1st at 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. And then they will be on March 2nd at 9 a.m.
Hey, Orion, are you going to the Battle of the Classes main event tomorrow at 6 p.m.?
Of course I am. And I think the juniors we're going to take it home this year.
I'm not so sure about that.
And I'm not what I appear to be.
I've got a plan.
Steve Jobs is dead.
What are you gonna do? Just get dance?
So our theme is trash.
No, it's the ghosts of BOTC past.
So trash.
And your winner of the 2019 Battle of the Classes is the senior.
I'm a loser.
How did we lose again, Eric?
I told you this was going to happen.
But we did it all right. We should have won. We sabotaged
every class. How did the seniors win again? All their skit was Cash doing Fortnite dances and a Steve Jobs memorial.
That's where you went wrong, son. You can't win Battle of Classes by sabotaging the other classes.
What do you know? You're just a PE teacher.
Trust me, son, when you're as old as I am, you know BOTC.
Fine. Then how could we have won?
There's never any chance of you guys winning. You're juniors.
So it's rigged?
No. You're just terrible.
Thanks, guys.
Don't forget, decorations will be going until 10:30 tonight. There'll be pizza and door prizes.
Decorations will also be from 10 to 4, and the main event will be at 6 p.m. on Saturday.
Let's hope to see everyone there.
That's all we have for you this week. Have a fun and safe weekend.
Back to Granite Kitchen.
Wow, I'm so looking forward to see what the kids made.
I'm so excited. It's gonna be delicious.
Let's hope so.
I want to thank you all for coming here and giving us the opportunity to prove that we need a culinary program here at the high school. I want to introduce our first chef, Chef Samantha.
Hi, I'm Chef Sammy. Thank you for letting me come in and present my cupcakes to you. They're ramen crumble cupcakes, so I hope you enjoy them.
I like the wrappers. It's very decorative. I like your coloring of your frosting, but your crumble, it doesn't look very appealing. I would not want to eat this.
Next, may I introduce Chef Sam.
Do you want to try this?
No.
No? What is this, Sam? Looks like last night's dinner. Is this lettuce? Cabbage? What is this? Your noodles? Nice and soggy? Really? Sam, is this the best you got? You know what? Hand me your apron. Give me your apron now. You need to stick with AMM and editing. You're not cut out for culinary. Take that with you and please leave.
Alrighty, lastly, Chef Bryson.
So I didn't really know what to do, so this is the best that I could come up with. Really hope you enjoy.
Looks a little undercooked. Maybe you and Sam could get together and make a perfect dish.
Oh, no, it's fine. I can fix that. I can fix that. Come on.
What? No, stop!
You know, on the plus side, Frank, at least the noodles are cooked now.
Shut up, Bryson.
Okay.